Hi, my crafty creatures. Thank you for tuning into this video. For this video, I did want to show you guys all the things that I made in the past month. And for the month of May, I did do a bit of sewing, and it was like my first month getting back into sewing again. It definitely has been a while since I've just like really sewn some things for myself and not for like a specific project or some event that I was going to. So this is just like me sewing for my wardrobe. And I made a few items and I wanted to show you guys what those were. Some of them I do have videos, and when I do, I'll just link them somewhere so that you can go to them if you would like. And with that said, I am going to go show you all the things I made this month. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to start off were the shorts that I made, and these I have a video on, and this was me taking a pattern or taking some shorts I had made a while ago and trying to recreate them and create a pattern for them. That way I could replicate them as many times as I wanted to. And these came out really good. There was just a few things that I wanted to change, and I ended up doing that. And then I got this pair of shorts, and I ended up changing up the way where the contrasting fabric was, and I tend to like that a little more. And then having the more denim fabric on the sides, I found that I didn't like those as much. I mean, I still like those, but I didn't like them as much as having this more pattern in the center. But it was the same process, and all I really did was shorten the leg a little bit, and I didn't do that seam across the top here, which does make the elastic kind of move around inside, but that gives me a little more option of making sure I have the elastic or the fabric around the elastic the way I want to, where it gives me a little more scrunching in the back and then more smooth in the front. But I think these ended up coming out a lot better, and I'll probably make another pair or two of these. That way I can have like a couple that I can lounge around with or, you know, wear out. But I really enjoyed those, and I hope you guys watch the video and can make some of these for yourself. So one of the first things I made in the month was this dress, and it was really simple. I based it off of a shirt pattern and I just made it longer. And then the only thing I did differently was with the neckline, I made it taller, and then I added a seam in here so that I could get a better shape for myself. And I think it came out good. The fabric is like really soft and flowy. The only thing I think I would have changed is the shoulders. So to me, it just goes out a little bit further than I would want, and I just want to bring it up a little bit closer. But otherwise, this is really comfortable. I feel like myself whenever I wear it, so I don't feel like I'm trying to be something I'm not. So I really enjoyed this. And then I have another fabric that I'm trying so hard to decide on what I want to make out of that and the style of dress, because I want to do something simple but also that has that little extra. But I definitely enjoyed the way this one came out, and I look forward to making something either similar to it or making those adjustments to this one so that it's a little more comfortable for me. So for the next thing I have to show you guys are these three shirts, and they definitely came out completely different from each other, even though I used the same pattern. So for this one, this is like the middle of the road. This one didn't do anything weird, and it was really nice. I don't really have much to say about this one other than it fits the way I wanted to, and it wears exactly how I expect it to. So with these other two, this one ended up being a lot tighter of a fit, which I was a little shocked by, but I liked it. The only problem I had with this one is the stars that are on here. They don't offer enough stretch, so they get distorted as you wear it and as you wash it. The other issue I have with this fabric is when I would sweat in it, The stars ended up getting a really strong smell that I couldn't like deal with. So I will be getting rid of this. I would probably be making something new with the same pattern. That way it can replace this one. But I was so sad about seeing that this fabric just didn't quite work out. And then for my last one, this one ended up coming out with the loosest fit. It definitely has more swag, I guess you would call it, on when you wear it. And aside from that, it's a like cotton spandex blend, I believe. I've had this for a while, and I do like the color and I like the way it feels, but for me, this seems a little more close to like pajamas than like the other two fabrics. But I still like it and I still wear it. Definitely will make some more of these. I think what I'll end up doing is making the straps a little narrower, because I kind of like that feel. But aside from that, these came out really good. Okay, so the last ones that I have are these two shirts, and I have a video on these, and this is the square neck shirt. So this is the first version I did, and it definitely came out nice, but it wasn't exactly what I was looking for. So I went ahead and made another pattern, or it made some adjustments to the pattern, and decided to use a different fabric and ended up getting this one here. And this one came out exactly as I thought it would, which is great because that was exactly what I wanted. But I definitely do like this one. So with this one, the fabric ended up being more of a loose knit, and I like the way it was, like as you wore it, it would kind of loosen up and be more comfortable, more flowy. And then this one is more tight, and I feel like you can kind of dress this one up a bit with some nice pants, and it ended up being really nice. So this is more casual, and then for me, this is more structured, more fitting, and definitely end up, having two different styles when you wear these. I forgot to make sure that the sound was recording for this part, so I'm going to be doing a voiceover, and I'm just going over the bra that I made. I did forget to put this in earlier, but this bra came out really nicely, and it's made out of a swimsuit type material, so it definitely can be used for swimming. If you want to make a bra out of this, it definitely should be put into a lighter weight fabric, but it can be worn either way. I did make a video out of this one, so if you want to watch that, you can go and see all the steps that I did, but I definitely forgot a few of the steps that I wanted to do, and I noted that in that video. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed the things I showed you, and I hope that you go and check out those videos and hopefully make something for yourself. I definitely enjoyed this whole process of making some things for myself this month, and I will continue this process of showing you some, or recapping the things that I have made in the past month. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.